are yours, Queen Esther here. I am super excited today because today we are going to dive deep into the financial side of my channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss 5 side hustles that can generate you some great income. And those are side hustles that you probably have not heard about it, and if you have, that is awesome, but I'm sure you may find something. One thing that I love though is that number 4, you can actually generate over $100,000 with this side hustle. You may want to put your glasses on and then pay attention, lean forward. Over $100,000. Yes, and guess what? You don't even need a degree for this one. So if you are interested in this, stay tuned. Now, yeah, you read it right. I said $100,000. So if you are interested in this, go ahead and stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like this video. Number 1, is free and it actually support my channels. It also motivates me to come here and give you guys this type of content that's going to put you on. So please like this video, share this video, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can become officially one of the royal family. And if you are a return subscriber, well, thank you, gracias, merci, okay, for supporting me. I love you guys so much. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is to become an ad specialist. It's simply you running ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Google for small business owners. Many small business owners are super busy and they just don't have the time to actually learn how to do this task. So you could become the go-to person and actually help them thrive and make more sales by you simply marketing your services. You can also become a Google Ads specialist. Yes, that's the thing. You can take a certification. It is actually free to become a Google Ads specialist, and that makes you more marketable. You can simply go on Google and put how to take the Google Ads specialist certification and you can get started. And how much do they make? The average Google Ads specialist make between $42,000 to $66,000 a year. Of course, you can scale it and make more. It all depends on how you apply yourself. I actually used to do that as far as the Facebook and the Instagram version of it. Running advertising for small businesses is very lucrative, so make sure you look into that. Number 2 is actually house sitting. Do you know that was a thing? Yes, it's a thing. This is where you actually watch over someone's house while they are away on vacation and things of that nature. And this also involves taking care of their pets, their plants, and doing some house cleaning and things of that nature. So you kind of have a free rent. You go into someone's home and you simply watch over their house. Sometimes they go on vacation for a short period of time or a long period of time. And it's a very lucrative business actually. The average house sitter actually makes $70,000 a year and upward. So it is very lucrative, especially if you love to go from places to places, and if you are single or if you are married and you simply enjoy traveling. I guess this is something you can really look into. You can actually go to care.com to actually start that process. Okay, so that is number 2. Number 3 is actually pallet flipping or liquidation pallet. It's actually 2 different things, but they go hand in hand. Let me explain. So pallet liquidation is whereas you actually purchase a product in bulk. So companies are like Amazon, Home Depot, Walmart, different companies, whenever they sell a product and perhaps people return those products and they no longer can sell those products, they'll go ahead and put them in the bulk and they sell it at a very discounted price. All right, and this is where you have all everything on one pallet and they sell it in the bulk, and you can buy those one and resell it. Okay, it is a very good lucrative business, and it's also I kind of see this as also a e-commerce per se, because you're getting product and selling it for a price. In other words, e-commerce is you selling product online, but you simply can get it from maybe AliExpress or different places. But if you are someone who loves to have tangible product, mean that you have the product home, or you have a project in hand and then you resell those, right? This will be a great way for you to get started. You can buy a pallet that varies, right? Some can start from $500, some can be $1,000. It all depends on what is on the pallet, and you sell those products individually. So for instance, let's say you have a pallet that has all electronic. It can include computers, it can include speakers, it can include TV, and so on and so forth. So all you simply have to do, you want to go in and check the specific store how much that product actually sells, and you want to of course sell it a little cheaper so you can have your product go faster. You can go on Facebook Marketplace to sell those products, okay? You can go on eBay, you can go on Amazon and sell those products, or offer up, right, and sell those products and make some good money. Now how much do they make? That will vary based of course of the item that you are selling, but you can make a very good $100 to $500 to $1,000 a day depending on what you are selling. It's a very good business for you to look into, so make sure you do your research and you look into it. Okay, here are some of the sites where you can actually get your pallets from. Number 1, liquidation.com. okay, number 2, goddeals.com. number 3, direct liquidation. number 4, wholesaleninjas.com. okay, of course I will go ahead and add those websites on the video as well, so you can check it out if you're interested. The other version is called pallet flipping. They go hand in hand. The reason why, because they both involve pallet, but it's actually two different businesses altogether. Pallet flipping is simply you reselling wood pallets for cash. You know, have you ever been to a warehouse and you see many merchandise come in box and they are on the wooden lined pallet, right? Those pallets, once they are done, they simply don't keep all of them, they get rid of them. So some people actually go out there and get those wooden pallets and they actually resell them for profit. Now you may think that this is like a small business, but honestly, do your research. Every single thing I'm saying here, guys, make sure you do your research. Of course, this is not a get rich quick anything. Everything requires you to of course put time in there, but based on my research, people are literally making $1,000 to $2,000 a day. Some are making over $50,000 $60,000 a month with this industry. Of course, do your own research, but it's a business that is very lucrative that many people do not know about, or if you knew about it and well, you heard it again from Queen Esther, and if you didn't know about it, I hope this can be something that you can look into. It is very simple to start. I actually went to Facebook and I put free pallets, and there were offers on my Facebook Marketplace where they can actually be giving you free pallets. Right, so you can actually get them free pallets and resell them in pallets, yards, and things of that nature. I'm going to add a site where you can actually go in and check where you can put your pallets. When you have pallets, you want to resell them and see where you can get even free pallets. You can actually go to 1001pallets.com, and they also have classified ads there where you can actually sell. You can also get free pallets from that site. Again, I will go ahead and add that website as well so you can check it out. Number 4. Okay, this is what we've been waiting for listing. This is actually one of our favorite, honestly, because y'all, when I tell you I did not know about this, I sure didn't know about it. I don't know if you did, but let's put the glasses back on. Okay. Now, number 4, let me take my drink a little bit. Don't mind me. Let's continue. I love number 4 because I simply believe the majority of people can do it, and it is available in all 50 states. Okay, so you definitely want to go ahead and check your state though. But what is number 4? Drum roll. Number 4 is Notary loan signing agent. Okay, you may have heard about it or you may not have, I don't know, but I simply love this specific one. I believe the majority of people can actually do so. So what is a notary loan signing agent? Do you want to know? Great. Say great. Yes, I want to know. Just give me some thumbs up. If you watch this video all the way here, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and then subscribe to my channel. Let's continue. Number 4. Okay, notary loan signing agent is a notary public, okay, who is hired by mortgage professionals such as title officers, escrow officers, realtors, mortgage officers, or even signing services to walk a borrower, okay, through their home loan documents and get paid $75 to $200 per a home loan appointment. Okay, so imagine, which actually range about an hour. So imagine if you have 5 appointments a day, or perhaps 3, 7 appointments, I don't know, a day. Do you know how much you can make? Like, you guys need to look into this, because based on my research, there are people making some serious income with this right here, and I'm speaking about over $100,000. Over $100,000. Yes, and guess what? I said $100,000 income without even having a degree, which is why I thought it was very awesome. Every single side hustle that I mentioned today, it is super great. But this right here, it was simply, I feel like it was very amazing, because one thing for sure is that when it comes to these days and the economy, we see what is currently happening out there. Just having a second source of income is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Okay, it's a necessity. So sisters, queens out there, so if you are looking for ways to increase or make extra money, you may want to take a look at all these side hustles that I'm going to go into details. Let's continue with number 4. All right. Can you actually go to someone's home and watch them sign documents? Let me hear your answer below. Okay, I know I can. So you simply watching someone signing the loan document, and there are different types of papers. It can vary from 45 to 100 papers. It's a whole lot of them, but you are simply sitting in someone's home and you are watching them signing the document, and it pays so well. They are literally make as much as chiropractors and even accountant. There are people that are making $7,000, $10,000, $12,000 a month. Okay, some are doing part-time, some are doing full-time with this industry. This is what is the best kept secret in the real estate industry. Okay, so that really was very awesome, and I hope that you guys can look into that if you are interested in something like that. Now, why are they paid so much? That was a question that I would like. Why they paid so much is because they are key element when it comes to the real estate closing process. Now, when it comes to you to actually sign your documents, it is very important that you're on time. So they need someone who's reliable to bring the document to the client and sign it so they can get their commissions. And if you don't do it on time, sometimes you are penalized and things of that nature. That is the reason why an escrow officer is willing to pay that much money for someone to actually do that tax for them. All right, so I thought that was super awesome. For more information, you can actually go to the nationalnotary.org to actually read and get the requirement. Some states don't even require a certificate, some states do, so be sure to check it out and check your state to see what are the requirements for you to get started with this process. Okay, so let's continue. Number 5 is Airbnb cleaning business. You may already be aware of what Airbnb is. Airbnb is simply where you are either using your apartment, your home, and you are putting it on their platform, and people simply are renting it for a fee. Now, it's a great business to look into. However, many Airbnb hosts are looking for cleaners or companies that are reliable. So you can actually get into this industry by becoming a cleaner and providing your service. You can actually hire different cleaners, right, and be a cleaning agent, right, and you are the one that are simply send those cleaners to those different units. All right, and then how much you can actually make will vary. You can actually try between $65 to $150 per unit. So imagine if you are cleaning about 5 or 6 units a day, you can make a very good income doing so. Now you can also scale it if you have other people working for your cleaning business. You can literally market yourself in different ways. So I'm going to simply share about 3 sites where you can actually market your service with this specific side hustle. Okay, you can go to airtasker.com. okay, I'm going to go ahead and also put it on the video, and you can also go to Angie, which is also known as Angie List, but you can go to the site www.angie.com, or you can go to turnoverbnb.com and actually market your service. Okay, it is very simple to start. Of course, every single thing that requires you to make some income requires you to be dedicated and consistent and put the work in there. So I do hope that you guys found this video super awesome. It was informative, and you can actually look into some of this side hustle. Let me know down below which one was your favorite, or which one are you currently doing, and tell me if you guys want me to do more video such as this. Okay, content that come in and give you value on things that you can do, and so on and so forth. If you guys love this, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Okay, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit the subscribe button and encourage me so I can keep doing this video, and share as well with other people. Once we hit the next milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers, I will go ahead and drop even more for you guys. So we are almost there to help me get there. I thank you all so much for your time, for watching this video, and I simply love you all. So until I come your way next time, be blessed. Au revoir. Salut. Super excited. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Stop it.